Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge, and today we are going to see that how we can use the line command in Autocad. Then let's begin. First you require to select the line command from upper panel. Then you require to select the first and second point of the line. I am selecting the first point of line with the right click on mouse, and for the second or next point you require to once again right click on mouse. Here our line is drawn. You can look this line. You can also select the line command with the help of L and enter. Once again I select the first point of the line. If I want the line with a specific measurement, then I will give the direction to that line, and then I will enter its specific length with the help of keyboard. Like I want the line of 1000 millimeter, then I will enter the 1000. Here we get the line of 1000 millimeter.